سبسکرائب کیجئے شاہین شارٹ اینڈ سسٹم چینل کو اور بیل آئیکن کو دبائیے لیٹسٹ ویڈیوز سب سے پہلے دیکھنے کے لیے۔
Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joya, Chief Shorthand Trainer, Shaheen Shorthand System, English Shorthand Basic Level, Shaheen Test 4 of Unit 13, Dictation Speed 70 words per minute, Shorthand and Longhand total time 41 minutes. Ready, start. You will shortly be receiving more correspondence from us, together with our brochure showing full details of our services and our new factory. Full stop. Our design for the layout has already been sent to you, but the cover design is too expensive and the accounts department did not pass it for payment. Full stop. An entirely new policy was operating which ensured that the sales department could be relied on to give immediate attention to any bad debts which might have existed in the past. Full stop. We are having an open evening on Wednesday next, and 2 open days in June when we hope you and your general manager may be at liberty to attend our factory tour and short lecture. Full stop. Our sale this year is for 4 days only, so we urge our buyers to come along to our shop, which is in Mall Road. Full stop. The owner would be going to visit the northern and southern area offices and asked the foreman to let him know if the machines had not been received by Thursday next. Full stop. Dear Mr. Imran, thank you for agreeing to take two secretarial students on office experience for the month of June in your southern export office. Full stop. If we are to use our storage media successfully, all staff must name files just as discussed in the company manual. Full stop. He organized the expenditure and informed the foreman that the machines would arrive within the next few days. Full stop. Now that he has moved, he is only a mere 3 miles away, which makes it very easy for us to meet to discuss tactics. Full stop. Dear Mr. Sajid, because of increased demand for our machine parts from all over the country in the last 3 years, our former factory and staff had experienced overloading and stress. Full stop. We can not only make routine machine parts there, but we also have a repair and servicing bay. Full stop. This new bulletin has been organized by the junior staff and it is to give details of all events arranged by them. Full stop. He asked if all of his men could have their own copy of the machine training manual, and the owner said that his had been arranged. Full stop. I hope the manufacturer can arrange early dispatch of the tapes manufactured yesterday. Full stop. Both students are looking forward to their office experience and I am asking them to send you copies of the course details with their own current course grades. Full stop. If you will return the cover to me, comma, I will amend it and send a corrected one to you as soon as possible. Stop writing, please.